Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is finally spring and Andrew and I are planning a day trip to Washington DC to see the infamous cherry blossom.
Yeah, this was a very last minute trip because we didn't think that the cherry blossoms bloomed this early. And we kind of lost track of time, so we just made a day trip out of it. And it takes about 4 hours to drive there, so we got up at around like 3 a.m.
And we're also taking Waffle with us, and this will be Waffle's first time short road trip with us. So since we do have to get up early, he looks super confused.
Alright, so after a 4-hour drive and a quick hour nap in a car, we finally made it to DC. It's kind of windy, and we got Waffle here. He's
excited.
Yeah, he's really excited. So we parked our car in the parking garage and we're on our way to the Tidal Basin. We're gonna walk over. It's probably like a 20-minute walk. They closed off a lot of streets today. I think there's a marathon or is it the Cherry Blossom Festival Marathon or something? We're on our way to the Tidal Basin because that's where the cherry blossoms are. And we're basically gonna spend the whole day just in DC. I'm glad we found parking at the parking garage a few blocks away because
so much easier.
This traffic was crazy.
This guy is way too excited here.
He's in air jail now. Waffle, you gotta relax, dude. Are you excited for the cherry blossoms?
Oh, yes. Very occupied by Waffle.
You've been here before, though.
Yeah.
You've seen the cherry blossoms.
I didn't enjoy it last time because I came here at a peak time. I could barely take any pictures too. And we didn't have the festival last time.
This is actually my first time ever experiencing the cherry blossoms in DC. I'm actually really excited.
You can also see a lot of cherry blossom trees in New York, but I think DC is just have a different magnitude of.
Yeah, it's supposed to have the most in America.
Or in most concentrated in the area.
Yeah. Yeah, so there's definitely a lot of people here. And I can see why. It's actually really pretty.
Waffle is having a blast.
Oh yeah, he's really running around.
So traveling with Waffle is actually quite fun and also very tiring too. It is his first time, so everything around him kind of looks very exciting as a puppy.
Yeah, and it was fun because there was a lot of people there, obviously, and he made a bunch of new friends. Dogs and humans.
And dogs, yeah.
Yeah, and it was a nice little icebreaker, I guess. A lot of people struck up conversations asking him to pet him and all that, the type of breed. So it was really fun. It's actually really pretty here. And I actually really like all the cherry blossoms, but there's definitely a lot of people.
There's a lot of people.
Yeah.
Just how I remember a few years ago.
Oh yeah. I mean, this is peak season, so I expected a lot of people. So we're just gonna walk around Tidal Basin and just enjoy and take in the scenery, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. really is pretty here, huh?
It is. Look at those.
Right? I don't think I've ever seen so much cherry blossoms in like one area.
Yeah. Also, never seen cherry blossom with this many people in one area.
Definitely more people than cherry blossoms. This one's very pink.
I like that. I definitely like the pink over
the white?
Over the white. Also, right here is the festival. I think that's the entrance, maybe.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, so this is the Cherry Blossom Festival. There's the pet comfort station.
We found pet comfort station. I'm gonna go check it out. This is a poop bag with a flashlight.
That's
oh,
cute.
hi!
Oh, he's so big.
Can I pet him or her?
It's a boy.
That's a boy?
Hi!
Toby.
Hi, Cherry!
Oh, there's a puppy in the back.
Hello! So we
this is
have
pretty cool.
a little, it's really cool because they also have happier and healthier, some tips, I think.
Oh, that's cute. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Nice.
Yeah, I don't know, whatever this is. Happy Pet Handbook. How to make pet happy, is that what it is?
All right. Nice tips. There you go.
There's so much things going on here.
It's so
Get a
fun.
poop bag.
All right, activities. Let's check this out. I think it's more for kids, but we're big kids.
True, true.
There's the gift shop over there.
Oh, let's go check it out. Oh, the gift shop has a really long line.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll come back later.
All right, yeah, we'll come back.
So this stage right up there, I think, has different schedules here.
Yeah. I don't recognize anyone,
Same.
but it's pretty cool though, like local organizations. And then there's a bunch of different like food trucks. They all look really good too.
Big cheese.
Big cheese, yeah.
So this is a festival. There's many different activities and performance. It's all multicultural as well. We just saw the Indian dance, which we thought was beautiful. And I think they also have they have acapellas as well. So we definitely enjoy that.
All right, so after walking around, we're actually kind of hungry now. Yeah. There's a bunch of different food trucks, so we're gonna try one of them.
Right. It looks like they have
There's like a barbecue, big
cheese,
I don't know,
and some other ones.
burgers, smoothies. Yeah, a bunch of different stuff. But we're gonna take a look.
Yeah.
All right, so there's barbecue.
Barbecue looks pretty good.
Yeah. All right, so we decided on barbecue. Okay, let me get the stacked fries with the brisket, and then the stacked mac with pulled pork. All right, so for the food, we got barbecue. It was pretty interesting because they had fries and mac and cheese with barbecue on top, and it was really good. I definitely enjoyed it. I thought it was a lot juicier than I expected. I don't know why I was expecting a little more drier stuff at these kind of food trucks, but it was really good. I definitely enjoyed it. Alrighty, so we finished lunch, and now we are just gonna just walk around
Yeah.
some more.
We were just gonna walk around the
Tidal Basin.
Tidal Basin, yeah.
Is there a lot to say? I mean, it's just all the same thing, right?
It's,
But, like,
yeah.
I
It's just
feel
like
it's just a
cherry
different,
blossom.
slightly different scenery. But
Yeah.
it's really pretty.
So this is definitely a well-known festival in DC during this season, and we definitely have some tips that we can recommend.
Yeah, the first and the biggest tip that we have would be to start your day early, especially if you want to beat the crowd, because as you saw, there was a ton of people. And as the day went on, there was more and more people, so less space. And if you start your day early, you get to see like the sunrise with those cherry blossoms. I'm sure it's nice. And also, as you saw, we brought Waffle, so it is dog friendly. They have pet stations throughout the whole festival, and as long as you're outdoors, dogs and pets are allowed. There are some activities where you can go into like the museums and stuff where dogs aren't allowed, but for the most part, if it's outdoors, dogs are allowed.
And we also recommend to bring a picnic sheet. Not a huge one, as Andrew mentioned. We do see a whole ton of people there, but it's really nice to be able to lay down an area that you can sit. The day that we went, it rained for a couple of days before we arrived, so the grass was a little wet, so it's hard to sit on it without something to be covered. For those of you who are sensitive skins, do bring sunscreen. I did get a small sunburn, even though the sun wasn't as bad as we thought, but it was powerful. So that wraps up our trip to Washington, D.C. for the cherry blossom. I think we definitely had a blast. Very tired with Waffle, but definitely enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well.
So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We release videos every Thursday.
See you next time. Bye!